Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Baking Secrets by Anna. In today's video we are going to prepare chocolate cupcakes. They are so delicious and they are topped with a chocolate rich buttercream. So let me show you how to make them. In a big mixing bowl I'm going to add my sugar, brown sugar and eggs. I'm going to mix these using a whisk until they are fully combined. I'm going to add in my vanilla extract, baking soda, baking powder and salt, cocoa powder, vegetable oil and my buttermilk. And I'm going to continue mixing until they are fully combined. Lastly, I'm going to add in my flour. And I'm going to give it a last mix until the batter is formed. This recipe makes about 12 cupcakes. Now my batter is ready and I'm going to pour it into my cupcake cases. Using an ice cream scooper, I'm going to divide the batter evenly among the 12 cases. Don't forget that you can find all of the tools I use in the description box below. Our cupcakes are ready to go into the oven and we are going to bake these for 18 to 21 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. For the buttercream, in a big mixing bowl you are going to add your butter, which is at room temperature so it will be easier to cream. You are going to mix your butter using an electric hand mixer for 2 to 3 minutes until it's nice and airy. Our butter is ready and I'm going to add in my cocoa powder, my icing sugar and my heavy cream. I'm going to mix this on medium to high speed until everything is well incorporated. My buttercream is ready and is nice and creamy. And now it's time to decorate our cupcake. Our chocolate cupcakes are ready and have cooked down completely. I'm going to decorate them now with my chocolate buttercream, which I placed in a piping bag with a star nozzle at the end. I will start piping my buttercream from inside to the round of the cupcake and going to the top. Our cupcakes are ready to be served. You can find all of the tools in the description box below. Thank you for watching guys, hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for next week's video.